So to celebrate our 100th newsletter, I have here in front of me the special edition SOtM sMS-200 mini network player. It's the Neo version, but this is the special edition. Now, you can instantly tell it's a special edition because the standard one has a gold badge, this one has a silver badge. What the special edition has, it's got full silver wiring, it's got the upgrade EVOX capacitors, it's got the ABS internal shielding. It sounds phenomenal compared to the standard one, and the standard one already is the benchmark in this category. This just raises the bar even further. The retail is normally £675. To celebrate our 100th newsletter, you can buy one of these for £649, which, trust me, there is nothing else out there currently even comes close to the special edition SOtM. So, a lot of thank you for supporting us over the years. It's a bit nostalgic, our 100th newsletter. When we started doing the newsletters, Grant was still wearing shorts, Rachel wasn't even born, and Martin was still at primary school. So that tells you how long our newsletters have been going for. Anyway, a lot of thank you and an absolute bargain, and clearly one of the best streaming devices under £1,000 on the market.